I just heard a big bang. And I was like, kind of weird. Like I didn't know if it was like a gunshot or whatever, but I was just, it was like probably 3 seconds before we heard another just like bang, 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 and I immediately sprinted over to her and was like, hey, we gotta get out of here, and like pushed open the emergency door and
Good morning, everyone. Just have a couple of things to say. Jake and I spent several hours in conversation with our Chinese counterparts over the last couple of days, and we certainly know and knew going in that there are a number of areas where we are fundamentally at odds, including China's actions in Xinjiang with regard to Hong Kong, Tibet, increasingly Taiwan, as well as actions that it's taking in cyberspace. And it's no surprise that when we raised those issues, clearly and directly, we got a defensive response. But we were also able to have a very candid conversation over these many hours on an expansive agenda. On Iran, on North Korea, on Afghanistan, on climate. Our interests intersect.
Thanks, everybody. As the Secretary said, we expected to have tough and direct talks on a wide range of issues, and that's exactly what we had. We had the opportunity to lay out our priorities and intentions, and to hear from the Chinese side their priorities and intentions.
中国代表团成员抵达阿拉斯加的时候，不仅感受到了阿拉斯加寒冷的天气，也感受到了美国主人的待客之道。这次开场白只是一道开胃菜，后面还有正餐才是重头戏。